I must tell you that this particular one is kind of difficult. Yes, kind of difficult. Not just something you are going to start today, tomorrow, and then boom, you're already making money from this. As you see in this in the title, we are trying to earn money using Google Bard, or you can call it Gemini, or the other ones we can use Copilot. Also, you can use the Bing chat, and also you can use the in video. So I'm going to show you this particular way in which you can do this. Like I said, it's not something you're just going to start today and then tomorrow, boom, you are earning for it. So it's a span of something that must last you maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months if you're lucky. But let's see. So this is for those of you who would like to make YouTube video, but in your YouTube video you don't want to go through the stress of showing your face, just like the way you can see my face right now. You don't want to show your face, but you want to create some YouTube video and then you want to post it online. You have some information you want to share, and it's not that you have some information which you want to share. You don't want to sit down to write this script by yourself, because YouTube goes a long way and you have to do a lot of things to make some YouTube videos. So you don't want to go down to write the script by yourself. So we are going to be using this AI platform to generate the script, and also I'm going to be showing you an AI platform that can also generate the script and also generate the video for you. And all you just have to do, and also add a voiceover to the video for you, and all you just have to do is just download this video and just upload it on your YouTube channel. So this is, like I said, this is for you. We don't want to show your face, we don't want to record video as I'm recording right now. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and then I'm going to be showing you everything I'm talking about. But before, so I believe you can see my screen right now. And before I actually show you how all you can do, everything you need to do, I'm just going to show you some YouTube channel which are actually doing the same thing, and then they're actually making money from this. You can say I'm on this particular channel which I love so much, the Zini Studio. She's doing the same thing. She's not showing her face in her video, she's just using cartoons and AI's characters to in her videos, and then she's adding some script to it and some voices, and then she's making money for this. She drops video almost every week, or almost 2 days, 5 days, and then you can see, we are going to see how much she actually makes also. So stick to that. This is another wonderful channel. This is the Wisdom Insights. They also do the same thing. They generate some AI image, and then they add some voices to it, and also they also add some script to it, and that's all. And this is the last one, the Lovey Girl, which I'm going to be showing you. This you might have probably come across this, and this another one. This, the example goes on and on and on and on and on. So how do we actually, which particular tool are we going to be using? We are going to be using this tool which I just discovered, which is called the in-video AI. In-video AI. I come across this channel, I come across this tool, and this tool actually, they can generate the script, also the video, and also the voice for you. And then you just need to download the channel. If you upgrade on their stuff, if you want to upgrade, then there won't be some watermark on your video. But if you don't upgrade, they are going to still create the video for you, as you can see on their free channel. And then as you can see on their free channel, and then you can download the video, but the video is going to contain some watermarks to show that you made it from there. But if you want to remove all this, you can just upgrade to their plus platform or their max platform. But of course you can do this later on, but you can still start and then try to do something. So let's see example of what you can do. We will start from the end and then we'll go to the beginning. So we are starting from there because this takes time to generate. So I can just tell this particular tool to generate me a script, a video of falling for a sales girl, a love story. So you should generate a love story for me, how I fell in love with a sales girl. So I'm just going to click on romance, inspiration, and I'm making it for YouTube. When I click on continue, this particular platform will start generating this video for me. And you are going to see in 1 minute or so, it's going to finish generating the videos. And then we can play the videos, and then you will see and then you will see what it's all about. So so it's generating the video. Why it's generating the video, let's just see. So I said you can use Gemini. In Gemini, actually you can actually write the same scripts. You can also generate a script here. let me just think of something which we can generate from here, and then we can just try to come to this place and also gather some videos. So let me try to see how to get cheap flights. So I think I made a mistake there, but nevertheless, it's AI. It's gonna figure it out. So you see, it's generating this particular script for me. You see, it's generating so a lot of script for me. And if I'm starting YouTube and I don't want to show my face, I can just get this script, and then even from my phone I can just get my editor app and then take the scripts and then probably read it out using voice recorder, and then I can go to a website like pixel.com. In pixel.com you can also get free images, both video and audio. So you can get free images from pixel.com. So from pixel.com I'm just going to take, okay, I need a video about flight. So I get a video about flight. You see, these are free videos which you can download, and this one doesn't even have watermarks. That's if you don't want to use this particular to this in-video AI. You see, it's still generating. It's going to take a lot of time. So if you don't want to use in-video AI, you can just get the videos here and download 4 or 5 of them, and then you get this scripts here which you actually got for free because it's AI is generated. Get the scripts here, read it out, record a voice note, and then put this video together, reading this script, and then you've actually made a video. In less than 30 minutes, and then you can upload this video on your channel. So this is how you can actually make money. So let's see how much these channels are actually making. Let's see the Zinc Studio. Let's see how much she makes per month by not showing her face on YouTube. Let's just come here and just put the Zinc channel. This website I'm using to check how much she makes is Social Blade. You can see she makes up to $89 to $1,000 in a month. That's how much she makes by not showing her face on YouTube. Let's see what the Wisdom Insights, let's see what they make in a month. So let's see, they also make up to, let's see, they also make up $60 to $962 on YouTube every month by not showing their face. So if you want to start a YouTube channel by not showing your face, this is what you can also do. Like I said, it's not going to be very, very easy. It's not something you are just going to start within few days and then boom, you are on it. So no, it's not going to be like that. It can take you 1 month, it can take you 2 months. You need to get to 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 blah 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 subscribers on YouTube for you to start getting, for them to start placing out on your video, for you to start making. That is also there. So the video which you try to generate on in-video AI is done, and you can see it's actually generated something for me. As you can see, I'm playing the video right now. You see it has some watermarks on the video, and then there are some voices in the video also. You see it has generated a video from 1 minute 49 video. If you want a longer video, like I said, you will need to upgrade to their other paid things, and then you won't get those watermark, and then you get a longer video. So that is how you can do this. That is how you can start a faceless YouTube channel in 2024 without even having to record video, just the way I'm doing right now. If you love this video, for sure, make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, and of course I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. You can drop your comment in the comment section. I'm going to be answering you. If you want me to make a detailed video on how to download video from pixel.com and also put them together to make one video, you can just put it in the comment section, and of course I'm going to be doing it for sure. So I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Akere. As you know, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.